Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing another Stitch Fix box, and this one's kind of different because usually it's 2 times as wide and today it's like really thin. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and the first thing I see is that there's some shoes in here. Okay, so the first thing I see are these Keds. They have like these little pineapples on them and they're interesting. They're ortholite, so they must be comfortable. And so I think these are too big because I usually buy a 6.5 in Keds because they're like half a size bigger. So let's get down to the clothes, which is like tiny this week. Well, this month. So let's see what there is. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this. So this is like a, okay. So I thought this was a tank top, but it's actually like a bodysuit. And it's just like a striped bodysuit, which would be really cute for summer. If you guys are wondering about the prices, I have them right here. So the Keds were $47. The bodysuit is $28. Okay. Okay, so this is the next item. It's just like a t-shirt. It's like a green t-shirt with a little pocket on the front. I mean, it's just like a basic tee. And this is $34. Okay, so this is the next item. It's like this floral kimono thing. And they keep sending... Okay, so in the last box I had one of these, but in yellow, and I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cute, but it's like if it's really hot. Okay, so in the last box I had something kind of similar to this, but it was like yellow and a lot cuter than this one. And so the price of this is $34. And so this is the last item. So there are some shorts and their size. Okay, so this is the last item. It's these STS blue shorts, and they're just like cut off distressed shorts. I really like how stretchy this brand is, because last time I had the pants from the STS blue, and yeah. So yeah, that's everything in this month's box. I'll see what I'll keep and what I'll return. And yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.